what is this amazingness that the dogs are super interested in? Hey, tipping it over is not helpful. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this probiotic from Native Pet. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So, in a second here, I'm going to go ahead and put this on the dog's food and show you what they think about it, because we know the most important part of a review is, will the dogs eat it? If the dogs eat it, then we know it's probably a win. If you have picky eaters, she's not so much. Every once in a while, Kira will turn her little nose up at something she doesn't like. So it'll be an interesting test. But this is a probiotic. There are a lot of different reasons that you would want to give one of these to your dog. Right now, Memphis has a little bit of an upset tummy. So I've actually been using this for about the past week, and it really has been helping her. What do you think? Do you want to try it and see what you think? Okay, let's give it a try. So I do like that it comes in a nice tin. This is like a metalish container. It has a lid on it. I left the tape on one side, so it kind of keeps the lid sitting right there. You can see inside, this is metal. It does come with a scoop. And of course, the instructions based on the weight of your pet are on the back. But there's the little scoop in here. And basically, we just scoop it out. I kind of usually run it along the side here. And then onto the food it goes. And the real test is, will she eat it? Let's find out. What do you think, Memphis? What do you think? Doesn't seem to bother her at all. Yeah, yes, I know. I got to give you guys your food as well. Well, I think she's going to eat it. She's still going. Now, I have used other probiotics that the dogs just do not like, and like they look at me like there's something weird in their bowl. This one, clearly, is a win. I think it has like a beef smell to it, and I think that's probably why they really don't care that it's in there. They're like, this smells like food. I'm going to eat it. So clearly, they all loved it. And as I said, Memphis has been on it for over a week now, and it really has been helping with her tummy issues, which is really great. Again, love that it comes in a metal container, comes with the scoop. The instructions on the back make it really easy. Make sure you read them. It tells you how much to give based on the weight of your pet. Yeah, what do you think? I also love that it's only 4 ingredients. There's only 4 ingredients in here. That is also a huge win. And if you're wondering what they are, there they are. Gee, no wonder it smelled like beef broth. There is beef broth in it. So the beef broth, the pumpkin seed, the artichoke, and then the rest of the stuff is technically one ingredient, that is the probiotic itself. No wonder the dogs think it tastes so good. So if you have been looking for a great probiotic that's easy to use, and my dogs seem to enjoy, we recommend this.